Hello everyone. Welcome to Codeurython. We all know the reason why we have locked ourselves at home because of the coronavirus. To get the latest cases of the pandemic, we usually refer to news channels, internet, radio, etc. But everywhere we see different figures which can be quite confusing. So we have come with a Python program where you will get accurate numbers about cases country-wise. So let's get started. First, open the Windows PowerShell and install the COVID-19 library. Just type the command pip install matplotlib. Matplotlib will be used to draw the graph for active, recovered, confirmed, and death cases, which will be very helpful for analyzing how the situation is currently in that respective country. Now type the command in Windows PowerShell as pip install COVID to utilize the methods of COVID library so that we can receive accurate results which the user is looking for. Now, import the installed library in the working directory. Here COVID and Pipelet will be used as an object to access the methods of these libraries. Declare a new variable country that will ask the user to enter the country name. Initialize the COVID variable as the class of COVID. The data variable will be used to get the data by using getStatusByCountryName method and pass country as the parameter to it. The data variable will be returned in the form of a dictionary that will contain information like ID, country name, corona cases, latitude, longitude, etc. Hence we will declare a variable cadre as a dictionary to store only those keys and values of data dictionary which we want. Now, we will have two lists, N will store keys of cadre and V will store values of corresponding keys. In the end, we will print the cadre to display the figures. To draw the graph for active, recovered, confirmed and death cases, we will use the bar method and pass N and V list as parameters. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. At the top of the graph, name of the country will be printed. In the end, the show method will display the bar graph in the new window. Yes, it's working. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, and have a good day.